Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum, Cardano, Altcoin Market Cap, and Litecoin. What's going on with all of those? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let's dive into the video. We've seen a significant crash, shedding in valuation in Ethereum's price action. What does this all mean? We need to focus on the broader macro perspective. What's actually going on with Ethereum? Because Ethereum, as you know, we've been covering this on the channel quite a bit. We're seeing a U-shaped reversal. Which of course started off with a W shape. This is a double bottom formation. If you see a W form on any time frame, W for the win, a probably profitable technical pattern, especially if it's on the weekly time frame. If you see a W on the macro sense, it's fantastic. But this is a W that turned into a macro U shape. And whenever you see price break out from a technical pattern, this is something I mentioned in my technical analysis course. Whenever you break out from a pattern, so from this W, for instance, you break out and then you pull back to test a previous resistance as a new support before further upside. We saw that with the double bottom formation. And what we're seeing right now is the same situation with the U-shaped formation. So this is the previous all-time high for Ethereum, which happens to be the top of the U-shaped formation. So essentially, we're now seeing a breakout and a pullback to test this area, previous resistance, into new support, just like we saw with the double bottom. Resistance, breakout, pullback to test old resistance into new support before moving towards the upside. We're seeing the same exact thing happen with the top of the U-shaped reversal formation. So what's going on? Ethereum is now in the process of fully confirming a macro breakout from a macro formation. And once we have fully validated, fully confirmed this retest attempt, that will fully validate the breakout from this U-shaped reversal. Fantastic stuff. Ethereum is very well positioned for further upside. Once we have a successful retest here, so far so good by the way, we're gonna see further continuation towards the upside and new all-time highs for Ethereum. We're seeing the same exact thing on Altcoin Market Cap. Why? Well, as we've been talking on the channel, Altcoin Market Cap has been lagging behind Ethereum. Altcoin Market Cap is also showcasing a U-shaped reversal, and it's doing the same exact thing as Ethereum. What once was an all-time high is now being tested as a new support. Much like if you focus on this double bottom formation, apologies, I lost that for a second. This double bottom formation here, previous resistance rejecting Altcoin Market Cap, but this previous resistance now becoming a new support. And interestingly, this new support, the top of this double bottom formation, this new support was exactly the same support that propelled Altcoin Market Cap for the first time to new all-time highs, right? Same support area, different macro context, but it resulted in the same macro result, right? Breakout to new all-time highs and breakout to new all-time highs as well. So we're seeing a U-shaped reversal in Ethereum, U-shaped reversal in Altcoin Market Cap. Ethereum and Altcoin Market Cap are doing exactly the same thing, retesting previous highs into a new support, just validating this macro U-shaped reversal. It's fantastic. And even if we zoom out even further for Altcoin Market Cap, this is why it's so important. What a significant event this current pullback truly is. Because the last time Altcoin Market Cap was able to successfully retest old highs as a new support was back here, 2014 highs, and then 2016, 2017 support preceded 27,000% increase in the span of just over a year. This is how significant this event is, guys. And this is something I was talking about in the previous videos, as you guys know. But what's going on with other altcoins? So Cardano, also U-shaped reversal. Double bottom, a bit jagged to be honest, not very perfect at all. But this previous area of resistance turned into an area of support. Not perfect at all. Very jagged, a little less correlated to Ethereum compared to Altcoin Market Cap, which is following Ethereum perfectly. But still, ADA following Ethereum. And it's still following Ethereum. As it has entered its full candle-bodied all-time high, because remember, there is a wick here. This is an outlier in price action. So I am going to discount it for now, but of course this is theoretically the all-time high for ADA. But at the moment, we are successfully retesting old all-time highs as a new support right over here to fully validate the U-shaped reversal breakout. This is a macro breakout pattern which will lead to macro results. Once we fully confirm this breakout, we're going to see a new all-time high for ADA. And we won't have to really care much about this wick. ADA is going to eclipse it quite comfortably after successfully confirming its breakout from this U-shaped reversal. So Ethereum, Altcoin Market Cap, Cardano, they are all on the cusp of a historic retest attempt that will fully validate their U-shaped trend reversals. And successfully doing that is going to precede new all-time highs for all of the above mentioned. So what about Litecoin? We have to talk about Litecoin. We all know that Litecoin is still very much lagging behind Ethereum. It's the same chart, W shape, right? This double top of the W-shaped formation, resistance here, new support here, and then trend continuation. Same situation as Cardano, Altcoin Market Cap, Ethereum. So I wanted to just showcase to you guys a bit of a different take on Litecoin right now. Over the past year or so, Litecoin has endured, maybe a bit of a better synonym there. Litecoin has experienced 4 major corrections. Bull market corrections, no doubt. And most of these bull market corrections were deeper than 30%. But more commonly, more frequently, most of them were exactly 39% deep. Just like we're seeing right now. And isn't it crazy that not only is this current retrace 39%, just like retrace number 3, retrace number 1, but isn't it crazy that this current retrace is minus 39.72%, just like minus 39.72% in the first bull market correction? Isn't that crazy? It's kind of mind-blowing to see these sort of recurring things occur. But wow, doesn't it give you perspective, a fresh look in understanding what's going on, not only with Litecoin, which is still lagging behind Ethereum. And I'm still bullish on Litecoin. And if you haven't checked out the video as to why I'm bullish on Litecoin, check it out in the top right hand corner. Don't miss it. Totally worth your time. And it's just fantastic to see what's going on with Litecoin. Because after all, Litecoin is in a 4-year cycle. And it's not even fully taken off yet. It hasn't even broken past its historically key resistance area. Key 4-year cycle resistance area. This is where we see a lot of rejection in Litecoin's price action in the short term. But then, of course, you see a massive candle 1 take place. And on the macro sense, you won't even notice, a few months down the line, you're not even going to notice that Litecoin has rejected from this 4-year cycle resistance area. We're just going to recover and appreciate towards the upside, wherever the peak of the Litecoin 4-year cycle will be, of course. And if you want to read a bit more about the Litecoin 4-year cycle, check out the link in the description down below. I published a free Rekt Capital newsletter recently, so check it out. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed writing it for you guys. And in fact, I'm going to make a YouTube video about the Litecoin 4-year cycle soon. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed the video and would like to see more videos like this in the future. Really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.